guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be yet another haul video wherein I'm going to show you clothes that I have purchased from Instagram. And most of the times you'll see me doing Instagram hauls because I want to review pages for you guys so that you can trust on those pages and you can just go ahead and shop from that page and you can support their businesses. Many a times I've seen people struggling when they are purchasing anything from Instagram, and कई लोग तो Instagram से purchase भी नहीं करना चाहते हैं because they cannot trust the store until and unless they are verified, of course. So that's the reason I purchased random stuff from Instagram pages, whether they have few followers or a lot of followers, and I review them for you. And if you like this type of content, then please follow along and also watch this complete video to know about all those pages. Alright, so let me show you all the stuff that I have purchased this time. So the first item that I have purchased is this one. This is a cord set from Burger Bay, and this one was for something around 1500 rupees and 100 was shipping charges, so something around 1600. And I have reviewed Burger Bay earlier as well, and their quality is really nice. I liked the top earlier as well, so I told you guys that I will definitely purchase from this store, and this is the next set that I have purchased from them, and this is really nice. The quality is really nice. This is a kind of set wherein you get a crop top and lower sort of pant. So yeah, it's that kind of cord set. This one is in small size and they have various colors available in this one. They had lilac, royal blue, black I guess, and army green. You can go ahead and check out all the options and you can choose one for yourself. So the next item is this one. This is a kurta plazo set. This is an angrakha sort of a kurta, and it comes with a plazo. प्लाजो में बहुत ही ज़्यादा घेर है एंड कुर्ते में भी घेर है काफ़ी ज़्यादा. मैं बहुत टाइम से एक चिकनकारी का कुर्ता देख रही थी बट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू फाइंड वन. दैट्स द रीज़न आई सॉ दिस वन एंड आई वेंट अहेड विद दिस वन. And I saw actually Arshi Khan wearing this one in Big Boss House. She tagged it on her page, and page का नाम Sunflower something है. I will tag it in the description. You can go ahead and check. This one was only for 2000 rupees, and दुपट्टा भी इसके साथ available था but उसका अलग से 300 कुछ cost था. So मुझे नहीं लगा कि मैं शायद इसके साथ दुपट्टा लूँगी, तो मैंने दुपट्टा नहीं purchase किया. अगर आप चाहते हैं दुपट्टा लेना तो वो आप अलग से purchase कर सकते हैं. And yeah, so I really liked this one. I wore this one in my last video, which was our Prayagraj video. I placed the order for this suit, and the girl's name is Pranjali, who actually makes these suits. So she will take the order and she will ask for your size details and everything, and then she will make it and then she will get it delivered to you. Next item is this one. This is a cropped shirt and it's printed. The material is really thick. It's from a page named RDKLU. You can go ahead and search for that on Instagram. And yeah, so this has a really Goan feel to it. My sister didn't like it, but I kept it anyways. I thought whenever I'll visit Goa, I'll wear this. So yeah, that's why I kept it, and it looks nice whenever you wear it. अगर ऐसे ही आप देखोगे तो मे बी आपको शायद ना पसंद आए, बट पहनने के बाद इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. The next item is this name engraved pendant which comes along with this thin chain, and it has my sister's name and my name engraved on it. बहुत टाइम से मैं ये लेना चाहती थी बट कोई ऐसा पेज नहीं मिल रहा था जहाँ से मैं इसे मंगा सकूँ. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड इट फ्रॉम True Connection Official. I got it for 849 rupees because I got 2 names engraved on it. Otherwise I would have got it for 799. Yeah, so this one was in rose gold color. They have other color options available as well, silver, gold, whichever you like, black color also I think. Yeah, and I went ahead for rose gold. It looks really nice and classy, doesn't look cheap at all, and मैंने इसे 3-4 बार पहना भी है. कलर ऐसा कुछ उतरता हुआ तो नज़र नहीं आ रहा है, which means quality is also nice. Next up is this white heels that I purchased from Instagram. पेज का नाम Shoe That Fits You है. प्राइस इन heels का था 1700 रुपीज़ के अराउंड, बट अब जबकि मैंने चेक किया है तो Ajio पर भी सेम ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं 600-700 के करीब. तो आई वुडेंट सजेस्ट कि आप ये परचेज करो बिकॉज इट इज़ रियली वेरी कॉस्टली अकॉर्डिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट प्राइस एज कम्पेयर टू आजियो पर जाकर आप एक बार इस टाइप के हील्स चेक कर सकते हो और आपको डेफिनेटली कोई ना कोई ऑप्शन पसंद आ जाएगा. दिस वन इज़ रियली कॉस्टली एंड उस टाइम पे मुझे ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन मिल नहीं रहा था एंड इट लुक्ड वेरी क्लासी, सो आई परचेज दिस वन. Though I really like it, but price is the factor why I wouldn't recommend this one to you. Next item are these jutis that I have purchased from Instagram and nyara.in नाम करके एक पेज है जहाँ से मैंने इसे परचेज किया हुआ है. उनके पेज पर बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल प्राइजेस में इस टाइप की जूतीज अवेलेबल हैं. When I purchased this one was for 1300 rupees, but अब उन्होंने शायद होली के टाइम पे प्राइस थोड़ा सा डिक्रीज कर दिया था. 899 और 999 के अराउंड आपको ये एग्जैक्ट सेम जूतीज मिल सकती हैं. आप एक बार पेज पर पता कर सकते हो. अभी का मुझे प्राइस इतना आइडिया नहीं है, बट ये सेम जूतीज़ मैंने नीडल डस्ट नाम का एक पेज है उस पर भी चेक किया हुआ था. उस पर समथिंग अराउंड 4000 रुपीज़ की थी. तो अगर आप उससे कंपेयर करेंगे तो ये पेज बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल है एंड क्वालिटी इज़ ऑल्सो नाइस. मुझे कोई भी शू बाइट वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. तो या आई थिंक यू शुड गो अहेड एंड check this page out. So these were all the items that I have for this time, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to this, then please leave it in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.